This is Ash's hair at 1 and this is her hair at 3. 2 years between these two pictures, and as you can see, her hair has retained a lot of length. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what has changed in her routine, including products and the why behind every single change. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. I've been getting so many questions about Ash's hair, the current routine, the products I'm using, and the why behind my choices. So this is that video. Now first, let me tell you a little bit about Ash's hair. She has high density, medium strands, curly coily hair with silky soft strands. Now her hair has always been relatively easy to detangle and it isn't tangle prone, but if her regimen isn't kept to, it can become a tangled mess. So consistency is really important for her hair. And that's exactly one of the reasons why her routine has become more structured and organized as her hair has grown. Now here's what hasn't changed. I still wash her hair every 2 weeks, clarify every 4 to 6 weeks. I deep condition every single wash day. I only detangle on wash day. Outside of that, I don't detangle her hair. Moisturize once a week using a layering method. Her styles are always simple, tension free, mainly in plaits, and her hair is protected every single night with a satin covering. That foundation stays the same and it's working. The proof, as I say, is in the pudding. Quick thing mama, if you want to build a moisture routine that actually works for your little one's hair, my moisture retention challenge is exactly where you need to be. The link is in the description box. So the first change, semi-permanent parts. I now have 15 set sections and these stay the same every single wash day and every single styling session. Now the beauty of semi-permanent parts is that I can change them whenever I want, but most of the time I keep them exactly the same. And here's why this has been such a game changer. The hair is longer now, and having set sections means everything is organized, everything is predictable, and most importantly, I can really get to her scalp and clean it well. And also wash day is so much less overwhelming for me. No reparting, no starting from scratch, less manipulation, and everything is already mapped out. Because I'm now using semi-permanent parts, I wash her hair in twists. Now that she's 3, I've switched to Tresemme Cleanse and Replenish clarifying shampoo, and here's why. Now that I'm using grease on her hair, I wanted something stronger, something sulfate based that would really remove that build up properly, and this one does exactly that. You already know I love this shampoo, and it does that without overly stripping her hair. Now for detangling, I use the L'Oreal LV Hyaluronic Moisture Locking Conditioner, the one in the purple bottle. Now Ash's hair isn't naturally tangle prone, but this conditioner makes detangling a breeze. It's silicone based and the slip is absolutely amazing. It literally melts her tangles, her hair just glides through, so no fighting, no pulling, and definitely no tears. Now this has been such a game changer for washing mum, I'm not even joking. Now once I've detangled each section, I twist it straight back up, and this is really important mama, because I shampoo and deep condition in those same twists. So by detangling first, the hair is already smooth and not free going into the shampoo process, which makes every step after so much easier. Mama, if your little one's hair is still dry, still breaking, still not retaining length, my moisture retention challenge is just for you. 5 live sessions with me. I guide you through every step in real time. The link is in the description box. Go and grab your spot, mama. Now let me walk you through how I moisturize her hair, because this has also evolved. In the shower, I apply the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in. Now I apply this on wet hair while she's still in the shower. And here's why I love this at this stage. It keeps her hair lubricated, preps it beautifully for styling, and leaves it super soft and easy to work with. That's the first layer. Then I apply the Cream of Nature Avocado Curl Defining Cream. This is a recent favorite for her hair in particular. Now I want to be honest about why I chose this one specifically. By the way, her hair still loves all the past creams I've shared that I use on her hair. It works beautifully on her hair. It softens, it smooths and defines her curls. but it also works on all of my other children's hair too. And as a mom of 4, I'm at the stage now where I want to simplify. I don't want a different cream for each child. I want 1 to 2 creams that work for all of them. Less products, less money, less overwhelm, and this one ticks all the boxes. And finally, I seal with the Wonder Grow Indian Hemp Grease or Kuza Indian Hemp Grease. Both of these greases work really lovely on her hair. And now you know I love grease, and here's why I made the switch from butter to grease at this stage. Grease, as you know, is a powerful sealant. It leaves a film on her hair that helps slow down the evaporation of moisture for longer. In my experience, it does this so much more effectively than a butter or oil. And at night, I've made a change here too. I've moved Asha from a bonnet to a satin snood, and here's why. The snood keeps her hair in place, there's less room for movement, which means less friction overnight. It also keeps her hairline sleek and her edges protected. Such a simple switch, but it makes all the difference. So what does Ash's hair look like now at 3? It's longer, it's thicker, it's healthy, and by the way, I haven't trimmed her hair yet. As her hair continues to grow and when it needs it, that will become part of her routine too. For now, her hair is flourishing and I couldn't be more proud. And just like before, what she puts inside her body matters just as much as what I put on her hair. She eats well, she drinks loads of water, and she takes her multivitamins every day. Her hair flourishes from the inside out, mama, don't forget that. So now you've seen exactly what has changed in Asha's routine as she's turned 3. Knowing what to do is one thing. Knowing how to put it all together in the right order, the right way consistently, that's what actually transforms your little one's hair. That's exactly what my moisture retention challenge is all about. 5 live sessions with me. I guide you through every step in real time. No more guessing, no more dry hair the next day, just a routine that actually works for your little one's hair. The link is in the description. Go and grab your seat, mama. I hope this answered all your questions, mama. If you want to see a full wash day using semi-permanent parts, go and watch the video showing right now on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.